Hello everyone, this is Arnaud Rodriguez and I'm going to be presenting today the Pac-Man figure. Okay, so this figure was, I really understood when I read the code to make it, so I was really happy about that. So I think I can explain it. Hope you guys can understand me. So we've learned that using width and height and setting a background color, you can actually make appear a figure using only CSS. So this week, learning a little bit more about borders, we learned that we can also use these borders to make figures. So to make the Pac-Man figure, if we type in border top solid 100 pixels, solid red, for example, then bottom, and we put the same 100 pixels, solid red. Left 100 pixels, solid red, and border right. So here we can see that using only borders, we can create a square as well, just like if we were using width and height and a background color. So this is another way to do it. And looking at this width and height 0, what I understand with this, I can imagine like the element being like a dot here and an imaginary dot here in the middle, and this whole thing is just border. So to illustrate my point, this would be like the border top right here in the top, border bottom, right and left. And since these corners right here are being shared by, for example, this side, the left side and the top side, and it's like they split it here like in the middle and a diagonal. So it would basically be like 4 triangles pointing at this imaginary dot in the middle. So for example, if we take one and take it and put it like transparent for the border top, you can see what I say. So it's this triangle right here, and they're basically 4 triangles representing the borders. So to make the Pac-Man, leave this in red and we take the one in the right and make it transparent. So this is the first step. Then what we have to do is just cut the borders using the border radius that we learned this week. So just an easy way to do it is just border radius and just give it 100 pixels as well, and that would cut all the borders from the top left, top right, bottom right and bottom left all together. And this is how you make the Pac-Man figure. It's pretty simple.